Hi, George Peterson here from Front of House. We've got a great issue for you this month, starting with our coverage of
Usher's return to Las Vegas. In the first new headlining residency to open on the Las Vegas Strip in more than a year and a half, this R&B superstar struck gold with sold-out concerts helmed by FOH engineer Kyle Hamilton and an A-list audio crew. We check in on all the action. Festival Focus looks at the return of the Newport Jazz Festival. After last year's pandemic break, this annual event came back in a big way for 2021, with enthusiastic fans filling the seaside locale to a COVID-aware 50% capacity. We check in with some of the audio engineers about the experience. This month's installation focus looks at 7 recent church installs. The pandemic may have slowed the audio industry down, but audio upgrades in the house of worship market continue at a breathtaking pace. We check in with 7 recent projects focusing on musicality and the intelligibility of the spoken word. David Kennedy and Neil Thompson Shade present this discussion on the other, meaning non-electronic, types of noise, such as mechanical, weather, HVAC systems, structure-borne and environmental, all items that can plague any venue. A must-read. Our buyer's guide this month focuses on column PA systems. Today's column PA systems offer high intelligibility, wide bandwidth, and features such as lightweight, an unobtrusive profile, and powerful onboard DSP. We look at powered column systems with integrated subwoofers and onboard mixers that are ideal for those everyday grab-and-go PA gigs. Digital Edge delves into things that you should or shouldn't do at front of house. Gigs are coming back, and noted FOH mixer Steve Lacera offers suggestions for 8 and possibly 9 things you should try to avoid at all costs at your next show.
There's a lot more in this month's issue of Front of House, whether you read it online, in print, or with our way cool, free iPad edition. But wherever you go, whatever you do, don't piss off the sound guy.